Show it to her, Caroline.
Yeah.
Give her the toy. Give her a toy. Caroline.
Oh,
Come on, Trixie.
now, Trixie, you want to pester us all the time.
Get it going, babe.
Just
Come on, Trixie, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, Trixie got it.
get it.
She got it, Caroline.
She just took her first steps.
First steps, Daddy got them on film.
Did you see that?
Yeah. First steps right there.
Did you?
To Mommy.
Yay! You did it! I don't think you realized you did it. You did it.
Good job. First steps, what's today? October
22nd.
22nd, her birthday, 11 months old. Took her first, how many steps?
She took 2.
2 steps.
1, 2, 3, I think.
Hallelujah.